Hey Nanny Squad, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a final review on the hair, skin, and nails gummies from Nature's Bounty. And you guys, I know I'm a little late on it. We're not going to get into it. You guys already know what's up. I'm here now, so let's do it.
Perfect.
So my last thoughts on the hair gummies, my scalp was itching, and TMI, but just for you ladies, you know, when you taking these actually make, you know, your armpit hair grow, your down there, you know, grow. So I just want you guys to be aware of that. So you're gonna probably be shaving and waxing and all that kind of stuff a lot. So I'm just saying TMI. I think the the pills did work, but I also made sure my hair was moisturized. I made sure I had a clean scalp. You don't want a dirty scalp and you think that your hair is going to grow. It just doesn't work like that. So you want a clean scalp, and want to make sure your hair is moisturized, and you're not doing too much on your hair, not stressing your hair out. So basically, I kept my hair in wash and goes, bantu knots, flexi rods, and ponytails. That's about it. But thank you all so much for watching this video. I know this video is short, but thank you guys so much for just supporting me. And make sure you comment down below, what do you think? Did my hair grow from the last video, or is kind of the same length? I was also missing days, but I still took the pills. I still did it. But thank you all for watching. Bye.